Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Lincoln Navigator and I will show you the fuse boxes locations. This video applies to third generation of Lincoln Navigators made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Main fuse box is located under the front hood and it's very easy accessible. It's right here in front of the engine. Now to lift this cover you will have two black tabs. You want to press onto each of them and lift up. Once you open it up, on the back side of the cover you will have a nice fuse diagram. Second fuse box is located in the passenger cabin just next to the passenger's right foot, just behind this cover right here. Now to remove this cover you just want to pull it straight towards yourself. Just pull it off. Now once you have removed that cover you will come to the actual fuse box cover. On top of this cover, as you can see, there is also a small fuse diagram. Now to remove this cover you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You want to press them at the same time and pull the cover towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.